Imani, and I'm a Reiki master. I am a Pranic Healer, meditation guide, spiritual bath creator, among many things. So, today's session is going to be focused on tight jaws, clenched jaws, TMJ. If you're always going like or restricting yourself, or holding stress in your jaws, or teeth grinding. So, I want you to get into a comfortable position. And while you do so, there's just a gentle reminder that spiritual baths are still available until July 5th at midnight. And like, comment, or subscribe, or share this with anyone that you know who may be experiencing this. Pretty common. I'm just using the Let Me See It oil, which is good for like spiritual work, relaxation, increasing your psychic activity, all that good stuff. So, get into a comfortable position. Make sure everything is uncrossed. Think of snow angel. Everything's open. Feel free to sit down or to lay down and prop the phone in front of you. It's just a reminder, it doesn't matter if you feel the energy or not. Everybody has a different reaction. Some people feel things. Some people get super relaxed. Some people fall asleep. Some people may process things through their dreams. But you're still receiving the energy nonetheless. So, get into a comfortable position and close your eyes. And we're going to start with 3 clearing breaths. So take a deep inhale in through your nose. Deep exhale out of your mouth. Deep inhale in through your nose. Deep exhale out of your mouth. Deep inhale in through your nose. Last deep exhale out of your mouth. Return to a normal breathing rhythm with your eyes still closed. When you are ready, I want you to say that you are open to the Reiki energy, and I will begin. When you are ready, you may open your eyes slowly, or you can stay asleep. Thank you for allowing me to do your Reiki session. Make sure you drink plenty of water, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to leave a love offering or book your own personal session, the links are in the description. Have an amazing day. Like I said before, don't forget to drink plenty of water. Thank you. Bye.